Rise and shine. Ready up. Wake up everybody. No more sleeping in bed. Time to thank who keeping us fed. Peeping on meds. My vision vigilant. Position spiritually militant. Due diligent. Look to the omnipotent quoting it. Why divisions, indecisions, this lessons. Only sharpens his profession. No retrogression, booming procession. If we show affection, now I pass the microphone in your direction. Room for improvement and more correction. In the morning joy, praises go up. I raises my cup in hands no matter what phases, yup. Light blazes for pup. Lord amazes our supplications for justification, no frustration. I want to eat a crustation, more than just patient. Soul must be ancient. Kick up dust on pavement. No tax, just brands and engravement. Save those sent, gave those who went. Trust be brave, it's evident. One day, Laquan Williams as his own business president. Long as I'm intelligent, keep it relevant. Imagine we be loving, empowering sound. Fathom it'll be. Heaven on earth, examine, see. Some be famine, G. So why not come gather like some do better? Who we from? I never. It's not by clever that I made it. Never forsake me, stay with. Touch and he display gifts. Walk, ride, run, made shifts. Hey, if he puts it on your heart, prayer, doors start to open. Won't play that poor part. This is to its core art, and even more so. Another thing before I go, my heart is stirred with a noble thing as I recite my verses before the king. My pen is that of a skillful poet. Know it, never forget, I won't forfeit. Who's at the doorstep? He not standing at the door, enter. Touch me to my spirit, soul, the core center. I can take even more of a hint, sir. We fall from petty, let me clear it up. From here, we set G, bet me. Plan C, don't forget G. Plan yes, plan C.